Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And so as you guys probably know, if you've been following along in my inconsistent video, that I'm trying to be more consistent now that I am starting to be able to move forward with moving into the home. So in creating my own happiness, I've been, updating my little patio area and, being able to create my own sense of peace back there, or, a place that I can be. And so I'm sitting here in front of Ross. I just went to Ross and I got a couple of things. So I don't know if this really counts as a haul, but we can kind of maybe consider it. And I got this planter. I don't know if I can see it very well, but it's kind of got this stucco texture to it and this design. I did not get this because I thought it was cute. I got this mostly for the size, because I got some really good succulents collection from Walmart. They were having a sale. It's only $10, and I'll show it to you. So I got this for $14, and I think that this will fit in here nicely. But my question is, do you guys think that I should paint this? Like, should I paint the decorative? I don't know if you see the shapes. Like, should I paint this and kind of do like a little DIY to make it look maybe a little nicer? Or should I just leave it like being a plain Jane as is? And that can count like maybe as one of our little DIY projects. I also got some shelves that I want to put in the bathroom. So I'll show you guys where I want to place those as well. And I got this other cute little planter for almost $12. And I like the colors on here. I think this is really pretty. You know what I'm saying? Very, very fun. You know what I'm saying? Very floral. They had around like different sizes of these. And I got what did I get? I got it's called an African milk tree. And I think this might work for it, so we can see about that. But like, what if I was able to paint the colors onto this? That's what I'm thinking. But please let me know what you guys think in the description, and maybe we can have a little in between the meantime, kind of like a DIY. So yeah, curious to know what you guys think about the idea of painting a platter. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, everyone. So I wanted to show you the pots that I got from Ross and what I'm thinking. So technically, I got this one right here from Ross as well, which I really like because I really love my chimenea and the terracotta color. And as you can see, I have two of these plain looking pots that I got from Ross. So here was like the really, really sweet deal from Walmart. So I can show you that I got these for like $10. They were having a sale, and for this size, it's like you almost can't beat it because I've seen them sell for $25 to $30 at like Home Depot and Lowe's. So I was like, that was sweet. And but this is what I was thinking of painting, and as you can see, it's more for me the size. But at first I thought maybe spray painting a terracotta color to complement the chimenea, or want to either complement the colors of this pot over here or this new little one that I showed you guys earlier. So that is what I am thinking, and so love to get your feedback.